All right, so I wasn't gonna do a video. I figured, you know what I mean, why not, or whatever. So I had this lip on my car, and it wasn't long enough. I mean, not long enough. It was nice. I made some side skirts for my car, and I made them a little deeper, so they look a little lower to the ground. And I wanted my lip to kind of have the same depth, for lack of a better term. So I got some of this stuff over here. Boom, 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 boom. 17 bucks from Home Depot. Home Depot. Yeah. So I copped some of that, which is what you see right here. And it's just a roll. I think this is like a 20-foot roll. More than enough for what I need. This is pretty much what it is. It's lawn edging. I mean garden edging. So I'm gonna take this. What I'm doing now, it's already pretty much got these mount holes for the tap screws that go into your garden if you would have used those. So I'm using these tabs right here to kind of go along the edge of the lip kit. Kind of give you an idea of what I'm working on here. So it's got a little gap here, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of fill that in, and then fiberglass. But yeah, so without it, and then with it. I think the second layer is going to add like some pretty dope texture, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll do some shots or whatever after it's all done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish screwing these. Got some self-taps in here, so I'm just self-tapping along. And we'll show you what it looks like when we're finished.
Love being black. Love being black. Yeah. Love being black. Love being black. Yeah. Let me elevate the evidence. Way the world, each and every curl like it's natural. Take a breath with me. Breath taking every step, taking those earthquaking quite heavily. How you ground beef, how you free those, serving love and every recipe. How you making me a better me black man. I appreciate black skin while I'm walking in black vans. Black fam trying to fill up this black van. Color of Batman, I know back then.
So as you can see, got my car in the back. Just did a extra layer, kind of the same on my side skirts here. I got a 91 LS400. So it made the car look like it was sitting a lot lower, and I just kind of wanted to get the same effect from my skirt here. I'm about to throw it on, and we'll see how it looks. That looks really good. That's a lot better. So I think we're gonna roll with that. We'll start getting all of this stuff together. I'm thinking I'm gonna wrap this initially, but I want to kind of make my own bumper here as well. So I think I'm gonna chop these out. I'm gonna chop this out here and just kind of put like some mesh or something right there. Yeah, it's how she's sitting on there right now. It's gonna need some heat gun, some cut. Like I said, we're gonna fiberglass these gaps down here. Gonna fiberglass that. Also around here. So we can just kind of extend this down this way. That's gonna be pretty fly. I think that sits, that's sitting pretty good there. Oh. We'll have a nice float in the land yacht. Can't wait till it's finished. All right, so I'm super pleased with how this is looking so far. It's kind of coming together, you know what I'm saying? If you can see my vision, you know what I'm saying? But it's coming together. We all can go out, well, maybe not everybody, but I can go out and buy a body kit. But at this point in time, you know what I'm saying, with shipping and everything, like parts coming through customs is ridiculous right now. So, and I'm like artistic. I'm crafty. I like doing stuff with my hands. So I'm making my own stuff because it's freaking fun, not because I can't afford it. I think it's whack for the dudes and the cats on the forums to kind of do so, you know what I'm saying? If you can buy your parts, go ahead and buy them. If you want to wait for shipping and pay money for parts, that's cool. But some of us just like making stuff because it's fun. Respect all the builds, you know what I mean? This is Appa. Looking real good so far. Like I said, looking real mean. So, I'm gonna fiberglass this area here, make that look real nice. Kind of make that nice seam down the bottom and this gap here. Do the same to the back as here, kind of round this off. So we bolt that in, that'll be good. It's not going nowhere. Same here. You know what I'm saying? Joint to be fitted. I'm gonna heat gun all of this. Make it nice and contoury. It's not even a word, I just made that up. But I'm never gonna make it over speed bumps. So might have to raise the ride height, but me like it. Yeah, so appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, for hanging in there with me. The build is coming along. It's really about to be a build, you know what I'm saying. Initially when I got the car, I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna put some 22s on it. Then I did some 20s on it. Then I took the 20s off and I was like, you know what I mean, I'm gonna do the VIP thing. And I thought I was just gonna throw some coilovers on it and some rims and keep it pushing. My son's playing Fortnite. But yeah, it's just taking on the form of its own, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, man. I'm excited to see what the future holds forward. I'm excited for you guys to be following along. This might be my YouTube video. It might just be like an Instagram real video, but it might be both. But either way, man, you guys stay tuned. This is Appa. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna have a straight up VIP. The goal is to have a nice VIP Lexus LS 400 at the end of this, man. So y'all stay tuned. I'm excited. You know what I mean? It's gonna be dope. I'll holla at y'all. Grace and peace. One love. We out.